case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2010, the Supreme Court of Kentucky heard the case of Kentucky River Medical Center v. McIntosh, which focused on whether the open and obvious doctrine could absolve a land possessor of their duty to ensure a visitor's safety, and if expert testimony could be admissible even if it is not perfect. The case was brought by McIntosh, a paramedic who in May 2004 was transporting a critically ill patient to Kentucky River Medical Center. While approaching the entrance, McIntosh tripped and fell over an unmarked and unprotected curb, resulting in a fractured hip and sprained wrist. She sued the hospital, claiming that the curb was an unreasonably dangerous condition that caused her injuries. The hospital argued that the open and obvious doctrine should have barred McIntosh's cause of action, but the trial court denied this. Instead, the Supreme Court of Kentucky ruled that the hospital had a duty to ensure the safety of its invitees, including McIntosh, as the injury was foreseeable. The trial court correctly denied the hospital's motions for a directed verdict and for a judgment notwithstanding the verdict, as there were genuine issues of material fact that were properly submitted to the jury. The admissibility of expert opinion testimony should be based on whether it will assist the trier of fact in understanding the evidence or determining a fact in issue. The Supreme Court of Kentucky upheld the Court of Appeals' decision that expert testimony can be admissible even if it is not perfect. The hospital's argument that the expert's testimony was undermined during cross-examination was rejected. The Court of Appeals did not review the hospital's complaint about the uninterrupted testimony because they did not object at the time. Even if there was an error, it is not reversible error as it does not rise to the level of manifest injustice.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.